Initial tack reflects the instantaneous adhesion of adhesive tapes. As a core performance indicator, it directly determines the bonding stability at the moment of lamination. Nevertheless, test method requirements differ across countries. Today, in strict accordance with Method A of Chinese National Standard GBT 485-2002, under test conditions of 23 degrees Celsius plus or minus 1 degree Celsius, and relative humidity of 50% plus or minus 5%. We adopt the inclined plane ball roll method with a standard 30 degrees inclination angle to fully demonstrate the standardized initial tack test procedure for adhesive tapes. Test preparation. The test samples were preconditioned under constant temperature and humidity for more than 2 hours to eliminate the interference of environmental factors on test data. Test process. Step 1. Equipment level calibration. First, observe the spirit level of the equipment to judge whether the machine body is horizontal. If it is unleveled, adjust the leveling screws at the bottom and repeatedly check the spirit level until the bubble is centered. After the equipment is leveled, set the test inclined plane precisely to the national standard inclination angle of 30 degrees. The inclined plane shall be free of oil stains and impurities to guarantee test accuracy. Step 2. Specimen cutting and preparation. Peel off 3 to 6 outer laps of the tape and use the intact inner tape. Throughout the whole procedure, do not touch the adhesive surface of the test area with bare hands to avoid adhesive contamination. Step 3. Specimen clamping and fixation. Lay the tape flat onto the test plate with adhesive side up, fully squeeze out all trapped air bubbles, and secure both ends firmly. Affix a 25 micrometers PET polyester film for the run-up section. Step 4. Cleaning treatment of test steel balls. Use tweezers to hold the test steel ball and thoroughly wipe and clean it in all directions with anhydrous ethanol and lint-free paper. Step 5. Rolling ball test and judgment. Release the steel ball to roll down the inclined plane and pass through the tape surface. Judgment standard: the tape is qualified if the steel ball stays for more than 5 seconds. Otherwise, the initial tack is unqualified. Step 6. Data recording and retention. Record the maximum steel ball number the specimen can stably hold, serving as core initialtac data of this masking tape. Report test result as the median of ball numbers obtained from 3 replicates. The ball roll tack test is an authoritative test method for tack performance certified and adopted by China and Japan. Following standardized test procedures, it accurately evaluates the initial tack of adhesive tapes, controls product quality, and ensures bonding performance in various application scenarios.